Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send money from TapTap Send to bank account using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the TapTap Send app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, choose the country where the bank account is located. You will see the exchange rate and fees clearly before you continue. After that, tap on Next and tap Add Recipient. Choose bank account as the receiver method. Enter the recipient's full name, bank name, and account number. Take your time and make sure all details are correct. Type the amount of money you want to send. The app will show how much the recipient will receive in their local currency. Select your payment method, debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Review all the information carefully. Then tap Send to confirm. You will see a confirmation message once the transfer is successful. And that's it. Sending money from TapTap Send to bank account on an iPhone is secure, simple, and easy. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.